We met at about 9:30 with the commission. The head of the commission is Mr. Pat Bernard, and immigration presented their case. The CEO, Ms. Saldiva, along with Marin. Marin was the only witness that was called, no? And we were given the opportunity to cross-examine her on various issues. And at the end of the day, the commission will make their decision as to the guilt or innocence of this person. But from a legal standpoint, I believe that we presented a good case, and I think that the eventual outcome will be favorable to our client. Well, I don't know what report came out, but all the report was presented to us as a disclosure.
And you can't tell us anything about what was in that report or what they're alleging against your client and the other officers?
The report is basic. It involves the passport with Mr. Kim, and they say that the officers were negligent in processing the passport. That was the basic allegation against all three of the officers. But we don't see the allegation as being something really serious. I mean, there may have been error in judgment, but not sufficient evidence of negligence to have them dismissed on the service. Certainly not, from my perspective at least.
Okay. Could you tell us, sir, if the name of the former Minister of State, Elvin Penner, was brought up at the hearing this morning?
Well, at some point in time, his name came up, but just briefly, nothing much.
So you wouldn't be able to tell us exactly in what context he came up?
Well, the only thing that was said was that he brought the person, Mr. Kim, to the office. That's what came up.
Okay, so the client is...
Well, I shouldn't say Mr. Kim, but the person who he brought to the office. I can't say it was Mr. Kim, but he brought a person to the office. And that is no secret. A person was there along with Mr. Penner.